Welcome or welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to cut a textured pixie with a fringe and also with a micro bang. We map out our haircut taking a radial section from the top of the crown to behind the ears on both sides. Starting with the center profile section, I remove the top crown section, continuing to cut a flat square layer in the lower crown down through to the nape zone. To complete this section, I elevate the top crown section, changing my cutting direction. I direct my razor forward and up, cutting an increased layer. We continue to take pivoting sections throughout this zone, combining a square layer and an increased layer, creating a head-hugging shape. We continue to cut our sections on base until we complete this zone. Razor cutting and scissors each have their strengths, but razor offers unique benefits. It creates softer, more textured finishes, perfect for achieving movement and a lived-in look. Unlike scissors, which make clean, blunt cuts, a razor thins and blends as you cut. Ideal for layering and reducing bulk in thicker hair. For clients seeking effortless style and natural flow, razor cutting is the go-to choice, while scissors are precise and structured. The razor adds edge, creativity, and versatility. Master both, and you'll have the tools to suit every client's need. Cut with intention and cut with style. We combine the back zone into the side zones using the length as our guide. We take diagonal forward sections towards the face, directing every new section back to the previous. This will build soft textured graduation into the side zones. This is a great option if you want to maintain length around the face shape. We continue this process working up the head shape on both sides. We take our guide from the top crown zone and continue to cut an increased layer, slightly increasing the length towards the face. Want to master pixie haircuts? Check out my pixie haircut playlist, linked in the card above and in my bio below. Get step-by-step tutorials with tips on texture, shape and personalizing styles. Check the playlist now to level up your pixie haircuts. Don't forget to subscribe to Hair by James Annabelle for more expert hairdressing education. Razor cutting a pixie haircut adds softness, texture and movement that scissors alone can't achieve. The razor allows for seamless blending of layers and a feathered finish, giving the style a more modern, lived-in look. It's perfect for reducing bulk and thicker hair while creating lightness and dimension. For fine hair, a razor can add subtle texture, making the pixie appear fuller and more dynamic. Razor cutting also enhances the versatility of a pixie, making it easy to style in edgy or feminine ways. It's the secret to taking a classic shortcut to the next level. Master the razor and give your pixies the edge they deserve. This is the pixie haircut with a fringe. Taking a diamond section using firm tension, I use my feather razor to remove the weight horizontally. I then over direct the side sections of my fringe using the same guide. This will maintain more weight over the recession areas in the hairline, increasing length from the center out into the sides. To personalize the bang zone, I am using my scissors to point cut. Let me know in the comments below if you preferred the pixie haircut with the fringe or with the micro bangs. And if you liked this tutorial, be sure to watch this one next.